Yeah, what's going on, guys? So welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing like the first of my chassis suspension kind of upgrades, and I'm going to be installing this. This is a Cobb rear engine mount or rear motor mount, depends on what part of the world you come from as to what you want to call it. Basically what it's supposed to do is reduce wheel hop, which I know it does from previous experience. Make your gear changes a bit slicker, make it feel a bit more tighter, and it's supposed to reduce torque steer and engine movement as well. With regards to the torque steer, I can say I didn't really notice a difference on my Mark 1 where I had an uprated rear engine mount put on. With regards to engine movement, yes, it definitely makes it a bit more solid, and you will also get a lot more vibrations in the cab. You will actually feel everything vibrating only for a few hundred miles, maybe 1,000 miles before it settles in. I got this one second hand. It's practically new. I don't even think it's seen 1,000 miles. It was less than half price, so that's the reason why I went for it. And so yeah, I'll just show you the tools that we need for the install, and then we'll get cracking. So guys, these are the tools that you will need. Oh, bless me. Anyway, I'll start again. So guys, these are the tools that you will need for the install. Not a lot, very simple. You'll need a 17mm socket, a 19mm socket, a 10mm hex key for the Cobb rear engine mount, as you can see. It's a hex key fitment in there. You will also need socket driver and a torque wrench. Torque wrench needs to be set at 70 foot-pound or 104 Newton meters, whichever takes your fancy. Anyway, it's enough talking, let's get cracking. Alright guys, so there's 5 nuts that we've got to undo. 4 of them we take out completely, and 1 of them we just leave hanging, which is the transmission bracket. So this is the main nut here, which is a 17mm for the rear engine mount, and then you got your 19, and then these 3 up here are all 19mm, but so you take out 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one on the transmission bracket, you just loosen it a little bit so the bracket can drop down. So let's get them nuts turning. So guys, just going to use the magic WD-40 just to loosen everything off for a second before I start wasting unnecessary energy. Okay, spray and pray. Give it a couple minutes and I'll be back. I've already pre-loosened it. So, she goes. So actually guys, even though this front bolt measures up to be a 19, you have to undo it with the 17 socket on the flip side, because this bolt on the original rear engine mount is actually, it looks like it's fixed onto the metal, so that's the reason why I was just struggling to get that one off. So these 2 bolts are now free. Now to go on the ones with the transmission bracket. 1, 2, 3. So just remember with this nut here, this one, don't have to take it all the way out, just loosen it so the transmission bracket can just swing down free. So guys, with the final nut out, take out the back one. As you can see, the transmission bracket just drops down, so there's no need to undo that last one fully. So if we take out that one, and voila, 1 rear stock OEM engine mount. So guys, that is a simple rear motor mount install. So don't forget, you need a 17mm and 19mm, and if you're fitting the Cobb rear engine mount, you will need a 10mm hex key or Allen key. And just don't forget, you'll also need a torque wrench, torque everything back up to 70 foot-pounds or 104 Newton meters. So guys, until next time, you lot travel safe and peace out.